Welcome, in front of me is a POCO C85 and today I'll show you how you can boot this device into the Fastboot mode. So, to get started, hold the power button and volume up at the same time, and from the boot options swipe up to turn off your device. Now when the phone turns off, you want to hold your power button and volume down at the same time. And okay, this is barely visible on the camera, so let me adjust it, but we're already in Fastboot mode. There we go. You can see we have a very faint Fastboot logo right here. I just need to overblow the exposure right here to make this visible. There we go. Now, I'm not going to change the exposure just for a moment because I'm going to also show you how you can leave this mode. So to do so, we're going to just hold the power button. You're going to hold it till this disappears. There we go. Once it does, you can let go of it, the power button, and the device will start to boot back up into Android. And there we go. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.